Get your safety glasses.
Good evening, my name is Emma, and here with me tonight I have Kyle and Tyler, and we're going to talk to you about our boring fixture that we made for Hayward Tyler. They're an international company with a branch in Colchester, Vermont. We got to meet with Wes and their operations manager Nathan, as well as Dennis, who operates the boring table.
So we spent a lot of time with the operator of the machine, getting his input, since it is going to be his life once it is put up there. We're going to get preliminary designs and drawings of each of these two designs and pitch them, and we can have that discussion about which one they think would be more beneficial to them. In order to make these parts in the time that we had, this one single semester, we had to utilize various machines. While the next part was running on the CNCs, we were doing the bores and countersinks on the manual machines across the hall, try to utilize as many resources on campus as we could.
For our project, we spent about 300 hours. I did a lot of the drawing and the inspection, as well as client communications and keeping track of budgets.
I, as well as Tyler, spearheaded the design and manufacturing of these parts. They're super flexible, willing to have their engineers work with us.
Next week, we're going to be able to go up to Hayward Tyler, test it on their table, and then it will be ready for installation on their new boring table.
Beginning of this project, we were given an initial budget of approximately $8,000. We were able to keep it well within budget